Everyone, welcome to Stitch and Carry Creation. I hope you are all doing fine. In today's video, I will show you how to make this simple and beautiful mini shoulder bag. It's easy to follow and you can make it with your own hand. Now let's get started. So this is the material I'll be using to make the lady's shoulder bag. I'm using the thick double face material. Measurement I'm using is 12.7 by 8.5 inches. Then I cut out lining and zip clothes for it. I'll place the zip clothes on it, right side facing each other, and place the lining on it and stitch it together. I've stitched it, so I will turn it over for top stitching. I'm done top stitching it. So I will add the second zip to the other side and stitch it together, right side facing each other without the lining. Now I'll place the lining on it and stitch it together. After that, I will turn it to the other side for top stitching the second side. After that, I will sew both sides together with the lining and trim out the excess lining that remains. After that, I will join it together with the zip mouth I will be using to. I will cut out the excess zip clothes that remain. The shoulder bag is almost ready. Now I will cut out the side panel. So I will fold it together to notch out the midpoint, both sides. After that, I will measure it round to get the measurements for the side of the bag. And the measurement is 12.5 inches. So I try to get a round shape with the measurement of 12.5 inches. Then I use it to cut out the side of the bag. So I'll be using Alex to hold the bag handle. So what I did is that I tried to fold it into two to get the midpoint for the top and the bottom. So from that notch point, I will measure 1 inches and dot it out. So I will take the eyelet, I will place it on the point I dot out. After that, I will press it together with the material to form the shape the eyelet will enter. Then I will circle it out to indicate it for cutting. Then I will use the blade to trace it and cut it out. Then I will take the eyelet and insert it inside the circle. After that, I will take the eyelet cover and place it on it. Then I will use the scissors to cut the mouth of the eyelet into some pieces. So those one I cut into pieces, I will use the scissors to just press it down to fit in. Now I will be adding the side to the main body. So I will take the first side, fix it to the main body, notch point to notch point, and stitch it round. So I'm done stitching it round with it. You can see how neat and fit it was. After that, I will use the taping to tape it round to look neat. So the bag is almost ready. After taping it, I turn it to the right side. So I've cut out the handle and the measurement is 1.2 inches by 45 inches. So I'll fold the handle together and stitch it to the down part. So I'm done stitching it together. You can see how neat it was. Now I will insert it into the eyelet. So I'm done adding the handle to the main body. Now I'll add my logo to it. So the beautiful shoulder bag is ready, perfect for any occasion. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. If you like this bag, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. More beautiful design are coming soon. See you next time on Stitch and Carry Creation.